Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create and send invoice in PayPal, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go over here into the quick access sections and you will find out this invoicing option. You just need to select this one. Once you click over that place, it will redirect you to the next page where you can easily create a new invoice for you. So here you just need to click over here, create new invoice, then select your create a new customer, or if you have an existing customer then select it, and then what are the paying for, then you just need to provide your item name, and once you're done you can add or give an attachment over that place. Once you're done, then here you just need to provide your how much it cost, and then you just need to go to the save, or you can go with this one, share link to invoice. So this way you can easily create invoice and send it to your customer easily through PayPal. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.